In the high-stakes world of offshore oil and gas, well intervention operations demand precision and trust in your subsea engineering service provider. Today, we'll uncover how to identify the best subsea partners for these critical operations. First, expertise is key. Look for providers with seasoned engineers who have real-world experience in complex hazardous environments. Next, technology matters. Your partner should utilize advanced tools that enhance safety and efficiency in challenging conditions. Safety culture is non-negotiable. Ensure your provider has rigorous protocols and transparent safety records. Operational flexibility is crucial. A great provider tailors interventions to your specific well conditions and adapts to the unexpected. Client testimonials reveal the truth. Seek feedback from operators in similar environments to gauge performance under pressure. Comprehensive support throughout your project lifecycle is essential. The best providers are involved from planning to post-operation reviews. Logistics coordination is vital. Your provider should seamlessly manage the timing and compatibility of all moving parts. Innovation is a must. Choose a partner who co-develops solutions to meet unique intervention challenges. Global reach with local awareness is increasingly important. Ensure your provider understands regional compliance and cultural nuances. Sustainability is no longer optional. Select a provider committed to environmental responsibility and ESG practices. In summary, the best subsea engineering service providers combine experience, innovation, safety, and partnership for your success.